I am freelance writer and fellow human Paulette Perhatch, here to talk to you about how to power up your freelance writing career with generative AI like ChatGPT. There are ways in which we can address it, bring it into our lives, and use it to get ahead and to continue to bring value. Just like how people were afraid that the printing press would put scribes out of business. And there's just so many examples of technology changing, and we can change along with it. And if we just say, I'm not touching it, I don't want to go near it, I don't want to know anything about it, you're gonna get left behind. And if all you want to do is create art, I totally think that's fine. You don't have to know about ChatGPT. I love doing my writing as my artwork as well, but I'm talking about the part of my life that is being a writer and being a storyteller in order to earn a living. And that will be affected by ChatGPT in ways that are really important to understand.